Do you get the Sunday Scaries? A friend of mine shared that phrase with me, and that sentiment fits my feelings on Sunday perfectly. Well, let's shrink those Sunday Scaries down into small pieces to get our week off to a great start. You can work on this plan on Sundays, Fridays, or first thing Monday mornings. You decide what works best for you. Step 1. Be a DooDoo Head. Write down all of your activities, whether it's digital or hard copy, and due dates. Then plan out when you can complete the work you need to do. More on that in another video. Step 2. Balance check. This means check your school lunch account if you have or use one. Do you owe any money? Do you have enough money on your account for the week? Check your library account and ask similar questions. Do you have any books due this week? Any overdue books you need to return? Any books you may need to check out for projects? Check your grades. Each school shows grades or competencies or standards in a different way, but many have online portals. Do you notice any patterns with your academic feedback? Do you have any missing assignments? If so, do you just need to turn them in? Do you need to complete an assignment? When will you do that this week? Step 3. The Great Binder Backpack Clean Out. This is when you sort through your binders and backpack to search for any small children that may be hiding among all of the stuff in your backpack and binders. The goal? Don't have any loose papers and nothing unnecessary in your backpack. A more detailed explanation of this topic is in another video. Step 4. Email inbox. You may have an email account for school. You might even have a personal email account. Take a moment to go through your email inbox or inboxes and delete anything you don't need. Did you place a star or priority symbol by emails that are still important? And did you write down any important dates in your planner? That's it! You are now more in control of your week. How does it feel to have everything organized and cleaned out? Maybe you've never done any of this, and trying to do it all feels like it will take you all week. If that's the case, then choose one of these steps to focus on this week. Which step feels like you can handle it right now? Begin there. Then when you're ready, take on that step again and add in the next one. That'll turn your Monday into a Monday. If you continue to follow these steps each week, not only will they take less time, but you will find they become more automatic. Until this becomes a part of your routine, use this video to help you as often as you need. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. We'd love to hear about your successes and challenges. We can be found at TeenChangers12 on Twitter and Instagram. TeenChangers is about making a positive impact one teen at a time. You've got this.